Who got the power?
My hair looks yellow. I don't know, it turned yellow out of a sudden. It used to be like, can you see this? I will just link everything down below, all the products that I use. Today I'm doing a simple makeup, like an everyday makeup look, you know? So, talk to you guys about my life and what's been going on. Every single time I buy foundations, I always buy them one shade lighter than the other one. Doesn't match my skin, but I'm gonna mix it with another foundation. That's what I did the other video. So, this foundation usually get like that? That's disgusting. I like this foundation, but I feel like sometimes it gets like, it's a weird texture. I don't really know how to call it. Like, I used to be this white, you guys, and now it got like, I got much more darker. I used to be pale white, and I think it was because of the sun that's been making, I don't know, I got a tan and the tan never left. So that's basically my shade. And I remember back in the days when I used to use this foundation, this is the shade I'm using. I used to be like this shade on top, but I didn't get darker, but I got like this yellowy color, which is like on my skin, that it's no longer white. I swear it's been raining every single day ever since the new year started. Lately, to be honest, I haven't liked how I'm doing my makeup. I don't know if it's because it's been long since Maria and all that shit. I used to do my makeup after Maria. I did my makeup a couple of times, but then I was like, I don't know, I kind of lost track, or like I kind of stopped or forgot how to do my makeup, and I was like, wait, what am I doing? What are you doing, Dayannette? What are you doing? So I don't know. Like, can you see that? That's like literally, that's not even contour. Like, Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer is one of my holy grails, to be honest. I love how this concealer works. I'm gonna put a little bit here so I can like clean this area. I don't know how this is gonna work. I've never put concealer there, but while that is baking, I'm gonna go in with my brows. I never do my brows on camera. I think I did it once, and it was in the beginning of my videos, and then I was like, no, I'm not gonna do my, I don't know, I just feel like I take long, and it's like, it's just normal doing your brows, you know? It's like, I don't know. If you guys want an eyebrow routine, let me know. Let's talk about, so I ordered a bullet journal. I've been watching for the past few weeks, ever since December, the beginning of December. I've been watching bullet journal tutorials and like plan with me and all that stuff. And so I kind of got into it, and I was like, wait, I want to do that. I want to try it. I have another journal over here, which I've kind of designed it and made it as a YouTube journal, because sometimes I plan some of my tutorials tutorials, like whenever I want to film, I never know what to film, and I feel like I was like, I should do a, like, I should get a journal and like write down YouTube things that I kind of want to do and like plan stuff. So like when I want to film, like today, all I did was I opened the notebook and I was like, wait, I did write down on the month of January type of videos to film and like video ideas that I was looking forward to film, and sometimes like that you guys suggest. A lot of you guys like comment on my videos and you guys are like, wait, what's your social media? Or sometimes like people ask me and I'm like, it's linked in the description. I always link them down in the description, but I will be putting like all my Instagram stuff around here somewhere so you guys could like follow me and everything. And I also put them on the end of my outro, like when the videos close, that's where I basically put them, because I also like for you guys to follow me and see all the things that I do throughout the day. And like that, if I have an announcement, I'll usually make it through there. I'm not very active on my Twitter. I actually don't have a Twitter right now, because I do have my Twitter, but I don't enter at all. I like logged out just because I feel like I don't really like Twitter. I feel like Twitter is like not, it has too much negativity. People talk shit. I'm gonna be honest, people like to talk shit, and I don't like scrolling to my Twitter and like being like, ugh, this person tweeted this, that's so shitty, this person always tweets this type of shit, and it's just boring. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna not have Twitter for like, I don't know when I decide to open it, I will. But I will say, I always read your comments on through Snapchat and Instagram. You guys DM me and all that stuff, telling me like video ideas, which I love. The fact that you guys reach out to me, you guys are like, oh, can you film this video? We should film this video, and like all that stuff. Her name is Amanda something. She makes YouTube videos about bullet journals, and I actually subscribe to her. If she ever sees this video, I love how you create your bullet journal. But then I was like, wait, I kind of want to do a lifestyle journal too, you know, and like draw. Wow, it got super cloudy out of this. So that's what I did. I basically said, you know what, I'm just gonna go for it, and I'm gonna order a bullet journal and a couple of pens. Like I ordered a pair of colorful pens, so I was like, yes. So your girl is gonna bullet journal. In my room, I never have a jacket on, and this time I had like a jacket on and a long shirt, and I didn't have air conditioner on. The only thing I had on was my fan from the top, which is, that fan is amazing. I feel like it always keeps me cold, but I'm gonna put a little bit only, just in case you guys wonder like, wow, she did so much. No, I'm putting a little bit of bronzer, not that much, because I contoured, so you can actually kind of still see the contour. Cream contour, but this is bronzer, and I'm actually gonna contour with my powder contour. You know that feeling that you know that when you upload a video again after so long, you feel like accomplished, like you accomplished something. Yeah, that was me. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna post them. I'm gonna get back on January, because January basically you're back to school, so I was like, I'm just gonna post them on January. A restock on my Pure Hollywood liquid lipstick. Like, this is the bomb.com. I love this lip shade, it's so beautiful. It's like a pinky nude color. I was gonna set my whole makeup with this, but I don't think it's gonna go good with my eyeliner. I think it's gonna sink down, because I don't think this eyeliner is waterproof. I feel like lately I've been doing this makeup tutorial. This is like my everyday type of look. I actually sometimes don't include the eyeliner because of that. It smudges sometimes, But I'm talking, I'm rambling. I hope that you guys enjoyed this get ready with me, and I will see you guys on, wow, my hair so little. I'll see you guys on my next video.